Timmy Joe reviews anything.
Reviewing computer parts on YouTube.
That's fine.
Gotta be pumped on that, right, Will? Computer parts! Woo!
Oh yeah.
Oh, hi there! My name's Timmy Joe, making videos about computers on the internet, and I'm finishing up the Pentium build there and installing Fortnite because you can't just copy the files over apparently for Fortnite and have it work very easily. Like, it's just, anyways, takes forever too because everyone's playing Fortnite right now. So this is my ugliest 1080 Ti there ever was, the green monster, and I actually picked this up on a deal here in my hometown because someone had, here, look, this is how new it is. Someone had bought 2 of these, put it in a water cooling build that was built by, you know, a previous sponsor or whatever of the channel, if you know what I'm talking about. They built this water cooling PC for this guy, and he obviously had buyer's remorse like right away because within a couple months I saw it on Kijiji. The guy wanted like thousands and thousands of dollars for this custom water cooled PC, and it had 2 of these in it. And since they put the coolers back on, a bunch of the screws were missing. I just had to go through my screw bucket and find a bunch of screws for it, but I got her all back together nicely. And what's bugging me about this thing is it's just so ugly, but it has no backplate, and such an expensive GPU should really have one, so we're gonna make one today. I also have a Titan back here, the Titan Black, and it has no backplate either, so I wanted to make 2 of them. So I went out and I actually have some acrylic or some plexiglass that we're going to cut to use for a backplate for this. And then I bought some spray paint and I bought some letters, and we're going to see if we can't, you know, glue some freaking backplates onto these GPUs and make them look nicer. As far as doing anything with this, I do not want to like mess it up. I want to resell it eventually because I'd much rather have a better one. And new Nvidia GPUs should be coming out soon, and I might need to use this as a pawn to sell and then get the money to buy the new one, depending on, you know, if I'm on reviewers lists or whatever by then. But I'll keep my 1080 Ti as stock as possible, but we're gonna put a black backplate on it to make it look a little bit more pretty and maybe even a little bit more sellable. So you want to come along for the ride? Let's go into the garage and we'll get this started with some plexiglass and some stuff. Hi there, my name's Timmy. Look at it. Looks so good. The Titan one's in there. I know it's a little hard to see, but my 1080 Ti finally looks beautiful. In fact, I like the way this looks much better than the way this looks. But I don't know how long I'm going to keep this card for, and to put a little backplate on it's one thing, but to like fool around with the cooler and stuff on it, I don't know, I might do it eventually. But for now, 1080 Ti with the backplate looking ever so beautiful. I'm really glad I got that case badge and that MSI motherboard for the Pentium system, because it really like sealed the deal on how good it looks. Pentium system, I'm working on benchmarks for that now, so that'll be the next video. But you know, for stuff like this, I love fooling around, and I know this is like more of a, you know, candid video where I'm in the garage and my kids dancing and stuff. But you know, I love doing the custom work like this, and I know a few people do this, like JPModified or Dietec, do cool custom backplates and stuff like that. But this is my first venture into something really custom like this on a video card, and I think it looks awesome. I mean, I painted a video card before, it didn't work out too much. This I really think it worked out super awesome. Like, I could sell these. Something. Anyways, I'm at Watch Timmy Joe Instagram and Twitter. If you like custom PC stuff like Nvidia Titans that don't have backplates, then you give them the backplate. Let me know in the comments below, or do the YouTube stuff, hit the bell, I don't know. Whatever, subscribe. What I'm more concerned with is if you really enjoy my content, go check out patreon.com/TimmyJoe, or you can donate stuff to the channel, or at the very least, go on, if you're shopping on Amazon, use one of my affiliate links, because it always helps me out when you do stuff like that. It gives me a little kickback, helps the channel grow, helps the channel. I mean, we're past 45, we're heading to 100 by the end of the month. Sure, anyways. If you like custom backplates, let me know. I'll see you guys in another video. But thanks very much for coming along with this candid little ride. And stay tuned for Pentium 5400 with the GT 1030 versus the Ryzen APU coming up soon, as well as I might actually get a Ryzen 2 chip eventually too to test. So we'll see you guys later. Thank you very much.